Hi, my name is Tiffany, and I'm going to be showing you a magic trick. The magic trick is that I'm going to stick a barbecue skewer into a balloon without even popping.
Oh, bring it down so I can see it. No, put it. There you go.
See? The magic trick is, well, first I want to do this. So the magic trick is that there's dishwashing detergent. We use this to put on this so it goes through. Because probably you thought it didn't have dish detergent on, but there is. So we use this, and if you don't put dishwashing detergent and put it through the balloon, it'll just pop. And also, don't put if you want to do this trick, you need a barbecue skewer and some balloons. But this one's popped.
All right. Where do you put it through the balloon?
You put it through the balloon in the place, well, where you tie up the balloon, there's that little knot that you tie it up so the air is still in there. There's that little rubber part there, and you poke it right through there, and then at the top, you can feel the pointy edges, and that's where your skewer is. And there's that little dot there, and you poke it through. And
So
then you'll have that magic trick.
So what you're doing is you're poking it through the thickest part of the balloon, right? The bottom where you blow it up, where it's darker color, and the tippy top of the balloon where it's also a darker color, right?
Yep.
Very cool. Wrap it up?
Yep. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it.